What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2023 Haunted Mansion Caretaker from Lowe's. Alright guys, so my dad really loved this prop. I think it is definitely really cool, but my dad really likes it, and he actually ordered it today and it came in today, so that was pretty insane. But yeah, this thing is made by Jemmy, which was a shock to me. I did not expect that. But yeah, I'm definitely excited about this prop too. So let's get this box open. First thing you see is actually an important do not remove foam and all the Jemmy Industries stuff. So that's good to know. Right here, we have one of the hands. Yeah, it's got the things. This is the hand that doesn't have the shovel or like the lantern, it looks like. So yeah, it's slimy. It's kind of like Emmeline. I don't know why. Looks like a bag of clothing right here. If I'm not mistaken, these are the pants and the kind of like sweater shirt thing. Yep, that's what this looks like. Right here we have the adapter, the instructions, and it includes a try me button. So that is pretty cool. You don't get that with a lot of props. Right here we have some more clothing. Looks like the rest. We have the hat and the scarf inside the hat. Yeah, it's a very, very big hat. Yeah, it's a little big for me. This is even more of like the sweater. We do have some shoes right here, and I have heard that these shoes are actually like left and right footed. So, and that is correct. That's an awesome little detail that they added. They definitely did not have to do that, but the fact that they did is really awesome. Right here. Coming out right now is the head. And this head is really cool. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Looks pretty similar to the movie that I even saw. So yeah, that's really awesome. Looks like right here we have part of the shovel. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It is actually decently heavy. It feels very good quality. It definitely looks like metal too in person. All right, guys, so right here we have the arm with the lantern. The lantern actually lights up red, which is really cool. Usually lanterns just light up just a regular old like yellow or white. This is red, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited to see that at night. Right here we have the mechanism and the control box. Looks like a decent quality mechanism. Doesn't look bad at all. It's got metal everywhere, so that is definitely good. Right here we have some support poles coming out. I assume these are like for the legs and stuff like that. 4 of them. Rest of the shovel, which we're gonna have to build. So yeah, that's fine. Here is the hip loop right here. It's also slimy, just like Emmeline and that other piece. I forget which one was slimy, but yeah. What's up with these props being slimy for real? We have the base, which is very big actually. For this prop, very big. Oh my god, and it is very slimy too. And yeah, we've got these little hoops where the shoes will go over. So yeah. All right, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. All right, guys, I have them all wired up and ready to go. Let's plug them in.
That crow is annoying.
Alright, guys, so that was the Lowe's Haunted Mansion Caretaker. I think this guy is really cool. I love the light. Like I said, the face is also pretty cool. And yeah, it's overall just a really nice designed prop. I do have a few gripes though. The price was a little steep, I would say, for like you don't get a ton of motion, basically just that swinging arm. I think this prop would have been much better at $200 than $240. I do kind of get why it is $240 because it is a licensed prop, so those are like usually going to just be more expensive anyways. So, but yeah, definitely if it wasn't licensed, it should be $200. Other than that, I think he is really cool. I think the quality will be really cool for the future. Jemmy usually makes really good products in terms of quality. So I think this guy is here to stay and last. I will leave a link in the description to buy him. He currently is out of stock, but he may come back in stock relatively soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, the link for the merch will be in the description. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.